Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you know from the title already, we'll be learning the easiest way to fill eyebrows for a soft and naturally full looking brows. First step is brushing your brows upwards using a spoolie. Make sure you don't exert a lot of pressure and scratch your skin. I'm using Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills today in the shade dark brown. Using a flat, precise eyebrow brush, I'll pick the product, and the way you pick the product on your brush will affect your precision. Now starting to draw strokes from the middle part of your brows in the direction of the hair growth upwards. We are starting from the middle because for a soft natural look, we want to keep the front part the lightest. So we'll fill it when there is minimum amount of product left on the brush. Next, this time, brush your hair downwards using minimum pressure, dip in the product again, and draw hair strokes downwards, filling the gaps in the upper hairline. Lastly, brush the hair upwards again. And one side's done. You see the difference? Crazy, right? Let's do the other side now. So brushing upwards and drawing hair strokes, filling the front part when the product left on the brush is minimum. Brushing downwards again and filling. Lastly, brushing upwards, and we are done. Now finishing up by adding a tiny bit of highlighter just below the arch. I hope you all find this video helpful. If you do, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Bye.